Hi friends, in this video I have a very unique WordPress theme called Osnic, and Osnic is a blog and magazine WordPress theme, and it is specifically Adsense optimized. So this is a great blog WordPress theme to monetize your blog as well. So Osnic is a profitable blog magazine WordPress theme, and it is based ad optimized for AdSense and affiliates. So Osnic ad system contains three types of ads, that is HTML code, image link ads and slider ads, to fit for nearly all the ads need. So basically this is the theme specifically built for the blogging and monetizing itself. So if we talk about the demo, this is the demo website using Osnic WordPress theme, and it has a very unique look in itself. So it is modern and having a specialized look for the blog, presenting the contents and all such things. And this is the another look. Okay, it is also very great, bookish type model. Okay, good. So it is another look of Osnic, and this is being the content publishing page. Okay, it is great in fact, and it has multiple options to select, and you can choose according to your need and choice. So I am going to add the link of the demo and the link of my website where you can get this Osnic WordPress theme for your blog. And in this video we are going to install Osnic WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content and review the theme options along with the customization options. So you have a reason to watch this video till end, as I am covering everything about this theme. And this theme was created in 2017, and the regular updates for this theme is also being done, and I am having the latest version of Osnic WordPress theme with me. And okay, so I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, and 2021 default WordPress theme has been installed on it, and I got the theme pack. In the theme pack I have demos, licensing, Osnic child theme file, Osnic document, main theme file and child theme file. So let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose osnic.zip. and if you are having direct access on your server, you can choose to upload the same file and the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I shall be able to show you the theme file size in this manner, and this method of uploading theme never gets failed in fact, and both the approach for uploading theme are same. So either you can upload the theme using the WordPress interface, or you can directly upload at your hosting. And the theme file size is actually very low, and it is a well optimized and lightweight theme. This is why it is going to work fast on your website as well. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Osnic folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. So we can delete the zip one, we have already extracted its parts. Okay, fine. We are good to go in the theme section of WordPress again. And now we have Osnic as another theme options. So Forest, it is Osnic version 1.8.5 based ad optimized blog magazine theme for AdSense and affiliate, featured with profitable SEO, fast loading and elegant. Okay, fine, good. So we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert that this theme needs certain plugins, and let us check what is the list of plugins required for running this theme. only 2 are required, rest are recommended. And this theme also supports the WooCommerce, so you can also use this theme for e-commerce activities and rest of things. So Redux framework, great framework is here, and page builder is Elementor, so all modern thing is here. But I am installing all the plugins as I need to showcase all the features. These are 15 plugins in fact, and I'm choosing to install all the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error during the installation process. And if you are ordering this theme at WP Themes channel website, you shall be getting the same capacity server, and all the plugins has been installed in just few seconds. Now we can activate all the installed plugins. And now all plugins has been installed and activated. We will simply click on dashboard whether it may require the WooCommerce basic setting, because we have also installed the WooCommerce. And now it is going to setup wizard, in fact not on WooCommerce. So at this stage we have to go run a setup wizard. You all in one, it is basically all in one SEO setup wizard. It is not required for the time being, so it can be done later in fact. And we have to be on dashboard, and all is fine, and we have already installed the theme and plugins itself. So we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the Osnic theme and its associated plugins. So this is the basic look of Osnic theme, and it is of course without any demo content, and we have a target website like any of this. So at this stage we need to import the demo content to make a demo website, and I'm just looking for the option where the demo import option is available. Yet not found. General. Okay, so under tools, it is not like import options, import URL. So I could not found the demo content importer. In fact, I'm just looking. I never hide anything during my illustration process. This is why I'm looking for the demo importer on live screen itself, and I feel it is not available. Okay, since I did not found the demo importer, I'll try to import the demo content using this feature import export. So we have the theme file in fact, and demos are here. Demo 1 can be opened with the text editor, and I'm just copying all. And okay, so I will import from clipboard. I'm just pasting export file, copy to clipboard. Okay, so I'm importing now. It may work, I believe, or it may not work, I'm not sure, but I'm just setting has been imported, and okay, it is saying setting has been imported. Now we can take another look of our website. Okay, something has changed. Okay, great. So this is imported, and since it is a blog website, so there is no demo content like things. All things will appear from the blog post itself on the page. So all things are here, and it is good that we have completed the installation, and it is fine. Now I'll show you the theme options. This is the general. So theme options are Osnic options. This is the general option, main data meta description, meta keywords, search contents, and all such things. Header. In the header there are two styles and logo. To see left ads, right ads, top featured area, you have the selection, and top ads, right ads, bottom left ads. In fact, this is completely based on advertisement only, so blog ads and all, single ads, page ads, widgets, pop-up ads, social media, and style 3D book. Okay, so typography, footer, and all such things are here. So it is a good and unique WordPress theme for blog and magazine, of course, and we got a wonderful website using this theme. And you may have certain questions regarding this theme, you can freely write in the comment section of this video, and I am also adding the link of my website where you can get in touch directly with me 1:1, and you can also get this theme by simply following the link given in the description. So I believe you have already subscribed this channel for getting more on themes and plugins. Thanks for watching.